Hello and welcome to EFE News. From today onwards, we will bring to you all the latest happenings and celebrities visiting at the Film Fest. But first, let's have a look at the day's headlines. Gumnam of Manoj Kumar, first movie after Goa's liberation. The legendary actor relieves his memories at EFE.
पहली फिल्म जिसकी गोवा में शूटिंग हुई वो थी फिल्म गुमनाम। तो मैंने गुमनाम को यहाँ शूट किया था।
Would definitely stop war if I had the power, says Suzanne Sarandon.
If I had the power to stop all the wars, I would definitely do it. I'm not quite at that point yet.
Bharatiya Cinema ka Safarnama book on journey of Indian cinema released.
Can you have a round of applause? Thank you.
Bye.
And now we bring to you top happenings at EFE on Thursday. If there is any actor whose name and personality has been synonymous with patriotism, it has to be Manoj Kumar, the veteran actor and director. Popular and valued for his contribution to Indian cinema, he was given Lifetime Achievement Award on Thursday. While talking to prudent film reporter Sachin Sulikar and senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari, Manoj Kumar revealed that he was the first person to shoot a film immediately after Goa's liberation. He also narrated an interesting incident that happened during the shoot of movie Gumnam in Goa.
है सर, आपको कैसा लग रहा है 44th इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आपको अवार्ड मिला है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट?
मैं इसको आशीर्वाद मानता हूँ। आशीर्वाद हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं। मैं कल आया हूँ गोवा में और गोवा की लिबरेशन के बाद अगर जो पहली फिल्म बनी, पहली फिल्म जिसकी गोवा में शूटिंग हुई वो थी फिल्म गुमनाम। तो मैंने गुमनाम को यहाँ शूट किया था। So I'm the first leading man of Goa. दूसरी बार मैं आया था यहाँ फिल्म अमानत के लिए। तो ये होटल और ये कुछ नहीं था। एक कहीं किसी बीच के नज़दीक एक टक शॉप थी गवर्नमेंट की। तो साधना जी और मैं साथ में थे। तो बादल आ गए थे तो मैंने ड्राइवर साहब से पूछा कि भैया कोई नज़दीक चाय वाय पीने की दुकान है? तो ले गया, हमने वहाँ चाय पी। मेरे साथ एक असिस्टेंट थे। तो चाय पी, बिस्किट खाए। तो काउंटर पे गया, मैंने पैसे पूछे, कहने लगे ना साहब पेमेंट हो गई है। मैंने कहा किसने की? वो साहब हो गई है पेमेंट। मैंने कहा नहीं भाई, मैंने असिस्टेंट साहब से पूछा कि आपको क्या प्रोड्यूसर ने पैसे दिए हैं या पेमेंट के लिए? कहने नहीं साहब मैंने नहीं दिए। तो मैंने उन साहब से पूछा कि मुझे साफ साफ बताओ कि पैसे किसने दिए? उन्होंने बाहर दरवाजे की तरफ इशारा किया। एक हमारे भाई बंधु झाड़ू दे रहे थे। डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर में मैं बिलीव करता हूँ। तो मैं उनके पास गया, मैंने उनको कंधों से पकड़ा। मैंने कहा भाई साहब, मेरे भाई, आपने मेरी चाय का पैसा क्यों दिया? बस दे दिया। मैंने कहा नहीं दे दिया, ठीक है, मगर क्यों दिया? कहने साहब गोवा पोर्चुगीज यहाँ विदेशी राज था, हमें पता ही नहीं था कि देश में क्या हो रहा है। आपकी फिल्म शहीद देखी तो हमें पता लगा कि हमारे देश में क्या क्या जुल्म हुए और हमारे देश में भगत सिंह जैसे इंसान भी हुए। तो ये चाय मेरी तरफ से। मैं सिगरेट पी लेता था, मैंने जान के अपना लाइटर गिरा दिया और लाइटर उठाने के बहाने मैंने ज़रा उनके पाँव छू लिए। तो हमारे दूसरे प्रांतों में भी बड़े भावुक इमोशनल आदमी हैं, लेकिन ये इंसिडेंट, ऐसा इंसिडेंट सिर्फ गोवा में हुआ था। तो मैं नमन करता हूँ गोवा को कि, और हमें बड़ा फ़ख्र है कि आज टूरिज़्म की एक ऑलमोस्ट कैपिटल हो चुका है गोवा, कि चलो गोवा, चलो गोवा। मियामी की, ये लास वेगस की अब इतनी बातें नहीं होती जितनी गोवा की बातें होती हैं।
Publications Division of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has a glorious tradition of bringing out quality books and journals covering diverse aspects of Indian panorama. Continuing this remarkable tradition, a book titled Bharatiya Cinema Ka Safarnama, A Journey of Indian Cinema, was released by Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Manish Tiwari in the presence of a cast of Bagh Milka Bagh at Panji on Thursday. Report by senior video journalist Tulsidas Shari.
The formal launch, the release of the book, Bharatiya Cinema Ka Safarnama.
Close, please close. एक मिनट.
Can we have a round of applause? Thank you.
बाय बाय. All of you please. थोड़ा क्लोज आ जाओ. विमल जी थोड़ा अंदर आ जाओ.
लावणे त्यांचे पाटले चला बेगीन. थँक्यू. लावले तरी.
Thank you.
बाय बाय. All of you please. थोड़ा क्लोज आ जाओ. विमल जी थोड़ा अंदर आ जाओ.
लावणे त्यांचे
भारतीय फिल्म जगत के इस दूसरी शताब्दी में मैं अपनी ओर से और अपने मंत्रालय की ओर से आप लोगों का बहुत स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। ये 100 साल का जो सफर है, जैसा मनोज कुमार जी बता रहे थे, एक बहुत ही अद्भुत और बहुत ही सुनहरा सफर रहा है।
Time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The Oscar and Academy Award-winning Hollywood actor Suzanne Sarandon remarked that she would definitely stop war if she had the power. Suzanne Sarandon was answering to a question at ESG press room in Panji by a reporter whether she would like to be peacekeeping ambassador. Suzanne also referred to her speech during inaugural ceremony, stating she was sad because of her lack of exposure to global cinema. Earlier in the day, she inaugurated an art exhibition in presence of many dignitaries. Our film reporter Rohit Wadkar and video journalist Dinesh Karpe brings to you a report.
If I had the power to stop all the wars, I would definitely do it. I'm not quite at that point yet. I know Noam Chomsky. I'm a big admirer of Noam Chomsky. In the United States, you know, war is our biggest export. And second maybe film, but definitely weapons. And so it's a very difficult thing to, you know, this perpetual war thing is built into our economy. And there has to be education on the part of everyone to understand exactly how it works. But I think thanks to Bush's 2 terms in office and...
Are you quite familiar with Indian cinema? Have you had a chance to...
No, I'm not quite familiar. I mean, I think that's what I was referring to in my speech, that, you know, it's really become so difficult now that corporations own most of the theaters. It's like what's happened with the news. You know, it's pretty corporately owned now.
Did you have a big idea of Indian
Oh, no, of course I had seen some Indian cinema, but I couldn't, but not enough. Or Egyptian cinema, or, you know, that's what's so brilliant about being able to go to festivals, is that you can meet other filmmakers that are doing amazing films from Czechoslovakia, or, you know, I mean, we don't have enough. Even in the United States, small United States films have a difficult time being seen. And so I think that it's, I mean, I would love to make a film here. The only thing I knew about Goa was that Ricky Martin told me that's where he goes when he wanted to relax. That was years ago. And then I have a relative who was paralyzed at 22. And at one point he came to Goa, paralyzed, and stayed for months. So I thought, well, if you can make Ricky Martin and my paralyzed relative happy, it must be a pretty good place. I know that I was told that Chance Dance started here. That's a good recommendation. I don't have any free time until the day after tomorrow, and then I plan to go to see a beach or something that is outside of here. Do you have any recommendations?
We'll come with a list.
You come with a list? I mean, I'd like
Come
to
with a list.
drive around
Yes.
a little and see outside of the festival because I really am in a lovely hotel, but I haven't seen anything.